Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get circular style floating favorite apps in any Windows computer. So then for more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Microsoft Store application and just search for apps wheel. Now we'll see here the application, just click on it. Now click on get to install it. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on open. Now you can see this kind of user interface, right? So in order to add different applications on this Raspberry boxes, just click on this plus button. Now select what type of software you want to add. So here you can see application and games. So I'm gonna add the application right now and click on browse. Now select the Raspberry application that you want to add. Click on open, click on confirm. So you can see here I've added. So similarly you can repeat the same process if you want to add more application. So finally I've added tons of my favorite applications here. So in order to add some icons as your favorite, just place your mouse cursor above it and just right mouse click on it. And now you'll see here one star separate like icon. Just select this star separate if you want to add it to favorite. Now if I just select this favorite option, then it will show you only the star mark favorite apps icon. And if you click on this button, then it will stay above the other applications. So let me open other applications. You can see here it will stay above the other applications. And if I unselect this button, now if I click on the other window, then it will stay as inactive. And if you left click on the center of this icon, then it will be movable. So you can see here you can drag it and move it anywhere on your respective screen. And if you left mouse click on the center of this circular icon, then it will show you all the app icons. And if you want to exit it, just click on this button, click on yes, then it will get exit. So by using this cool application, you can easily get circular style floating favorite apps in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.